What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Xoxo Ri Qui.
And I'm Qui.
So on today's video, we will be showing you guys what can fit inside this palm size new wave multi-pochette. And before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe. What are you doing if you're not? And what's up to our loyal subbies? Welcome back. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell and let's get this video started. So this is the new wave multi-pochette. Louis Vuitton just dropped this purse like at the end of July. We did do a full unboxing of this purse where we did mod shots and a complete rundown of this. So if you guys want to see that video, go ahead and check it out. We really just wanted to do a what can fit because it is palm size, you guys.
Super tiny.
Yes, it's so tiny.
It holds a lot.
It does. It holds a lot. So we are going to show you guys that right now. Let's go.
Okay, this is the bag and we are going to stuff this puppy to see what fits. We're going to open it up. Now we're going to put the iPhone in there. A card case. A MAC lipstick. Then we do have our Baccarat perfume. If you guys haven't seen, we did do a review on this. And it fits perfectly. We do have a MAC compact. And that does fit as well. This is our 6-ring key holder. And that will not fit, so you will have to take your keys off. And let me see, let me lay that down for a second. Let's take just a regular car key. So we will put just a regular car key in there and it fits perfectly. And we'll close that up. There is that. And then for the little coin purse, we do have extra perfume samples. Also, when we are out and about, sometimes we like to remove our makeup. So this is a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe, and that fits in there as well. And there you have it. That is everything that fits inside of this little cute bag. Okay, you guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked what you've seen here, make sure you hit the bell, subscribe to us, leave us a comment down below if you have any questions about this little baby. And until next time,
Don't forget to stay what?
Chiq
Chiq Squad.